Hello everyone! Welcome to this video about the lost generator. Today I want to clearly explain what the lost generator is because I know a lot of people still have doubts about it, and some don't even know what it is. But it's actually quite simple. The lost generator is a revolutionary solution that generates electricity by converting thermal energy into usable power. It was designed with simplicity and efficiency in mind, and it empowers users to create their own energy source through an easy-to-follow plan. I'm going to give you more details today, and I won't take up much of your time. Just stick with me for a few more minutes, and you'll discover everything you need to know about the lost generator. But before we move on, just a quick note. If you're already looking to purchase this guide and want to make sure you're getting the original lost generator, they have an official webpage. I placed the link right below this video, so it's easy for you to find. That way, you'll go straight to the right place, make a safe purchase, and also get access to great prices. So be sure to check that out afterwards. Now back to the guide. It's detailed and includes step-by-step instructions, a complete parts list, safety tips, clear diagrams. All of this makes it super accessible for DIY enthusiasts and even for people who are new to alternative energy. The process is as engaging as it is practical. By following the plan, users gain insight into how thermal energy works, and they get real, hands-on experience with electricity generation. The lost generator doesn't just provide a rewarding learning journey, it also equips you with a sustainable energy solution. It's ideal for backup power during emergencies, off-grid situations, or simply supplementing your household power needs. And the cool thing? It's fun, reliable, and environmentally friendly. This device merges historical inspiration with modern innovation, offering a unique and satisfying project for anyone interested in self-sufficiency. With the lost generator, you can explore renewable energy on your own terms, creating a reliable power source that promotes independence and sustainability. So go ahead, unlock the potential of the lost generator, and discover a whole new world of energy freedom and hands-on learning. I mean, just imagine. Something happens and suddenly your whole neighborhood is out of power, but you've already got your lost generator up and running. You did this DIY project with your friends or family, and now you're the only one with energy. Sounds cool, right? So give it a shot, guys. Pop over to their official webpage to learn more. This is something creative, fun, and super useful when it comes to generating efficient energy. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.